The Tale of Genji, Morning Glory, Murasaki Shikibu, Mizukaras and their defunct Urabasagaho. I wonder if unexpected is forgetting the words Hinasu people, Akiko. The Saiyan became resigned our jobs for the morning of Chichimiya. Genji is a habit which is not can be forgotten even old love. As in the example, reply but wasser all the time send a letter to the person who is a partner of the rumors that have been a nuisance to say in your tenure era. The queen was frank, it did not have to be a right year. To here became the Tao Yuan. You moved to the house of an old mansion turned to September. There year from now come live together at the woman fifth temple is. Genji visit entrusted to the sympathy it was carried out. Late hospital is this year, by now you treat the compatriots playing kindness. Is to remain close dating is now even and these people Genji. It is divided into west and east of the same palace. The old princess and the young before Saiyan became come live. Shikibu lord of the temple nor Iser standing is time enough what is in Ray your Hong. But one of the other temple have drifting rough color. There is an air that was sad. Woman fifth temple there was a variety of talk in your face-to-face sported by Genji. Cough in your appearance seems old woman is to mix a lot your words. There is a sister Kun, but the widow of the house of Daijo Daijin is younger, but made a beautiful place to have even now. This is Rishiku quite elderly. Have you in demeanor was as anxious for the field distant to women it is also a wonder to become. From the maid to his majesty our collapse of the hospital. The lonely ones I made in. To where many is the day that cry from the blame of the year. And since this house has become a go at me, by smoked I go to visit me not only to live in or not walk anymore. I knew I would be already forgotten that I thought it was unfortunate. Quote, and the temple became your say. Well I think that it became a lot's it an enigmatic old man Genji I mentioned in Kashikoma. Since now you collapse a hospital. All of it is no such change the way seems to be of the same world. And we also received stunning unexpected Tokurabatsu, but had been drifting to the distant land. Happen Bellflower is allowed if you will be. Also in things like we just being chased by odd jobs. Heard the story of the late and will ask you from a long time ago if worrying endlessly by do not be relied play well would like me also ask you I had been with. Quote, the world of the time was your misfortune would have been if well. I live long old reign nor such era by unexpected must have looked in the same way as was the hate. Also a day to become prosperous year because it was able to see. I'll think has been different again. I therefore think that when I died in that halfway, you live longer is better. Quote, trembling to our voice tremble. Also it continued, it is more and more beautiful. Look for the first time you went to SSH I need a child. I was nothing but these people also I was surprised with what wonder if coming born. Surprised to your beautiful every time that seeing you from it. Now but of his majesty is the story that I Rasharu like you well. That is to will not go. Still I would like I imagine it would I Rasharu somewhat inferior. Quote, at length the temple is of being told. But that one not even the person who praised the beauty face-to-face Genji thought funny. Very from the time that had been made to wanderer I have waned. His good looks of his majesty we my name look up at us in all ages unmatched. You like your imagination is incorrect. And Genji said, it makes me that much more to live longer if or worshipped in sometimes majesty. I was totally all forget another of life unpleasant thing in today. Fifth temple even after of such a story is to become your crying. Your sister like Sanomiya are envy. I because of all the time in your edge to be folded your child in the grandchild as he has to see. You. Just to the temple like also the Obo Shimeshi that passed away of here there is. It is often that sported Tansoku by could not be realized. Quote, only in the story that I felt that stops the also ear Genji. If you have become so I would have been a great happy man. Mia like you do not seem more to have your love to me was not enough. and Genji to Fu reproachful, yet I said sounded a meaning to the subtext. Looking far away in the garden of the better has been to your residence of the queen, and appeared to be of those with Hanakusa still attractive became withered. Is beauty to be looking at it in a quiet mood is immediately imagined. Genji was I missed. Leave not be suppressed of mind that I want to see you. Do not a toss a visit you in passing that I heard the hear. Such as those with no aspirations. Because you misunderstood. Let's Myri also to there. And Genji is to say. I went to Sutayage. Was time became longer dark. But Torakage which are erected along with the black Hicho to miss the edge of the dark gray seemed. To those shimmed aware. Incense Takamono is a gloss of your residence to go blow for the wind. Outside I think the rude. The seat of the parlor of the south end in the wives of good offices is provided. Infused wife was waiting for word that relayed out to the reception. And now, whether that gets eat before to such mistakes of your living room I will be a little puzzled. Will that I have continued my name aspirations over no matter how many years are repaid to the liberté. I believe that either one is allowed much here to your living room. Quote, the saying, Genji had a very unsatisfactory face. Thing called once upon a time is now, there is all a dream. Whether ephemeral world of after it was cool. It also well reasonable right now to do frontier that not seem to decide still well because I is. Such as you like of labor is allowed to quietly thinking it is proposed that it be stipulated in. After Haju, quote, was transmitted the word of the queen was this. So this world is hard to define, and he is hard to ask. Genji was sad also from the end of these words. The hereabouts Surenaki world on the island waiting for the forgiveness of the secret god wonder. If overholdings. But now you should not also be the escaped you have entrusted their lives to another god. On the other hand I cannot please here in the recording of one end of since suffering when was there in unhappy ice. Quote, Genji is to compel saying that the conference directly with the queen. Such a situation, such as compared to the old days of Genji, appeared as along many places more graceful, year compared to that era. But it is a Genji has gone all the way. The position of the height to balance unexpected youthfulness had been saved. Nabit world of pathetic Justi and God Shikai he to be in because Fu question Isaman. Sayin of your song is reportedly, do you become you blame such a thing sin of that era are all. I should have asked to follow the wind of Kato. Charm of Genji was like spilling. I do not take this your Misogi god accepted. Kana Kikan it will also not receive the Go Misogi god she was in love flattery in Midarashi river. That's right, infused as said in the lightly Hutan but, in my mind had sympathy to Genji that it is very sorry. Shyness deep queen turns it pull himself gradually to the back. Not to give us the words to the other infused, because too pathetic yourself is too visible. Genji stood up while the deep and Tansoku. Year is what fit to become an embarrassing I doing. How did you show you a generous feeling that I'll at least listen to talk to emaciation person of such love? Not it. These words after his return of Genji to leave to my wife, and praise the Genji as wife, et al. Is also referred to anywhere in the wife. In the evening the shim to the body and the color of the sky, which seems a long time ago to voice that sounds of leaves. That my wife found that was interesting of a scene for which the negotiations with Genji from the old days, that he died in body had I say talked to say and to say that comes to mind. Genji went back and unsatisfactory feelings could not sleep is let alone that night. Let raise the early grading Genji had watched the morning mist of the garden in bloom on whether the morning glory in the withered flowers cannot walk while wrapped around to the left and right of the grass. Yet Genji, which was folded flowers incense even gives off also as then give it to the previous Saiyan. Because did you handle ish to others? But I went back and also determines the worse. How pitiful my from behind. But I also feel regretful and whether it has become comedy. But, Nurin palm only the soup forgotten is unexpected of morning glory flower bloom folding she seen. No matter how many years between only the fact that whether you or think you was wondering. Should you will know. I have a hope while out and Genji as he wrote a letter that, for the meek letter of Genji there is no middle-aged then it is said the only love from directly in front. The queen would be to think that the poor woman also emotion that which is not the answer also becomes you think. Also wives became right since such is ready for inkstone think so. Morning glory that moves to either defunct or fall is not a love musubo in the midst of the maze thing but that gave me, send you a suitable flower in the fall we become a pathetic feelings. Only letter that says there should be also much interesting. But Genji had looked intently it is the regrettable also released from the hand. Letter written to the softer blue dark gray paper was as beautiful. I wrote a person's identity. The time is a good sentence such as is supplemented writing. Also seemed like a good song. Since it is what comes to appear in new book to write putting clumsy point in. Letter of sentence ya things like that song. Because I had to be omitted majority to refrain book of this story. Think there will be a mistake to write also to those accepted. While even the Genji and that it does not rather than to look good I think things like send in. Person a letter of also youthful love is in now. While favor also friendship also have to that person for a long time. Until the holds of love when I think that the did not must. It become willing to not dismiss it is to after the other had sent followed by a letter that was wholeheartedly while burning in the chest again Joka and away towards the pair of the east. The infused before Sei and Genji had a consultation summoned, whose went likely people fluttering also the temptation of wives in such a house that has become obsessed with praise indeed even to madness Genji. Only queen of morning glory became there you calm. Because when you young even is also did not become more than a friendship to bring it to this person. Much less now myself even if no longer a year to like the person also love. Letter is said of that of flowers and plants and also immediately things like replying is noisy be. Criticism of people. It also was not how the move also of your mind standing forever so as to be the refrain. The point was not the normal type of queen of morning glory. Which is also to continue you to where the beginning of the attitude was the Genji which must also think that to be funny to be prized. World is the longer the rumor. Because the minister of Genji is needed and your enthusiastic before saying will become your kindness be your doing to the woman 5 of the temple. It would be one that suits the edges are married. Also say that there is. It came transmitted to the ears of purple wife. Although current thought I should hear talking about Genji even to myself if there is such a thing. When viewed careful since then. State of Genji as a fidgeting. Are deprived of the mind is something it was know well. The love that I think up to get married by implant in the so serious. Had said Yojin is to be in his just on a whim. It is also a mons from the public there at the same queen as a person that does not compare with their own. Yourself if the good people of love to the person had moved would be miserable. And Mrs. Hintan, because the love of Genji as the first wife was the one who has attracted almost to herself indeed. Be subject to handling not met the heart become now. Mrs. N is that unbearable even for the outside it is think. If not things like that neglected. Wife of Genji is respect for other people. He had been nourished from girls. Well not only his wife should have resigned even if any Hakugu when the will of. Although his wife is agony thinking such a thing. Big deal not it is also the displeasure of the extent of Mrs. that does not harm too much emotion. So become also that love the act of Genji is checks and balances but in which it was to. Because this time was to think you're a Meshiku from the bottom of the wife of the mind. Not anything to try to touch on the issue. Looking at a Genji's is constantly pensive. The more the night of the night watch of the imperial palace. To be at home as role was to write a letter. I think Mrs. and seems there is no error in the rumors. and those a little much is confided to seem good to talk of. I thought just not enough tired. This year is the beginning of the winter lonely ritual has not been stopped at all. Surezure of Genji also tried to go to visit 5 of the temple. The gloss of evening snow shimmering to raining. Because it is Genji that wore a lot of the Takamono to Kasode became soft and a little worrying. Trying to Otonawa a lover or spend time in makeup. Not see it I feel Tay weak woman was doubtful that it would kind of mood us. Genji to put the voice of the go truly came to the place of his wife. Woman 5th Mia like you went to sympathy because come in your disease. The better of Genji to say a little sitting. But his wife had a princess of the other party without also try to see. Uncomfortable feeling was well visible. Do not all the time a bad mood these days. May not be unreasonable, long and have together thought to be read to you. I sometimes to try and or a night duty at the imperial palaces. So also you are unpleasant it becomes it. Quote, what is really long and the same will look at the sad eyes. Only said despite think Genji and that it is hard to go out at the queen fell asleep facing the other side is. Because was after I mentioned the other year visit of the news in the temple and unavoidably Nijo and I was out. To not know that such a day may come around on their own. Mrs. Lonely feeling to have been living trust Genji had become. It is a dark gray of morning. But that the figure of the gloss of Genji of the overlapping of shades look good in light of the snow. The wife who had except while sleeping also was sad to think that if you become a rare day to see this sight. Although precursor also each other to choose the only close person. Go out other than to palace visit became troublesome. Because the woman 5th Mia like is he a lonely you alone in Taoyuan. But while the Shikibu lord of the temple has become had gotten to leave even me. Now it because you say that it is I rely. It is also because it is too bad in your most. And the like Genji seemed not even to say to the people who work the precursor has been saying. Although he who admirable, if that it does not become you quit as it scratches the love. I'm worried about your home and my need in it. Such people and also had to say, your residents of Taoyuan thought I entered the gates in and out of the ordinary people on the north side is seen to be not enough of its own weight. Was offered a guide doing the people from the west of Daimon. Because now this weather, because harbingers became come also Genji expect temple and would not come to go out there. He would go on to open you a daimon surprised. In samurai of the cold likely appearance of the gatekeeper came out. And the food at the back is appalling. But have not said to the door of the gate rattling in. It seems not any other of the samurai. I do not get tired rust badly tablets. That the spillin. Genji had heard it died to wear. Mia of your youth. It will be in the old days of the now 3 decades and the time that was born of itself Genji come. To think of it, also seems it has become of the man old by rusty of things. It obsession of the transient world is not a way knowing. Genji was ashamed and there on your own there is no time to cease be attracted of mind to people. Since when mugwort is fence she rough and snow hometown love Musubo the original. Genji was not humming these things. Slightly longer hanging in the old gate resistance has been finally conquered. Genji had been talking first. As in the example in the better of the house of your living room. Genji was only sleepy like no rambling old tale is continued for a long time. Mia also sporting a yawn. Because I is not a good midoi we talk can no longer. When I think now you say in the, it has been out here the familiar little sound of Genji that snoring. Genji is when you leave and resign your living room of the house with joy in mind. Also there was a man coming closer to the bamboo blind sigh while the cough seems an old man. I can waste. Because there seems although we think should know I Rasharu made to forget my existence a long time ago. From my better majesty we have out. Council says you and grandmother they're a person who became. Because say Genji remembered. Source. But those who had been said to be maid of honor sometimes heard before and have served you in your disciple worth of woman 5th temple become a nun. Got amazed to be the unexpected thing to have lived until now. It was the thing that time become all folk tales. Remember, you have just made Koko Robosoku far into now even. But I became more glad come. Please think the traveler to lie down without a parent, saying, in Genji to gather the body toward the bamboo blind. Maid of honor is the feeling that came back even more ancient times. Even now sensuality feminine, in a voice that also mouth crooked became less of a toothless imagination. Or graces I was trying to marginally adequate, is not that had finally become so. Such as say without shamelessly. Now while the first time Genji funny in is the caliber. Such as it was an old age is thought. It was also felt touched without also expected to be pathetic at one side. Nyogo of the concubines of the time of this woman is young prime. When the dressing is say what happened. There will be some people that are nagare alive become fu miserable. But the majority is deceased. New Year, such as the house of the priest would be if, or does not become you collapse is not enough than half of the people. While ephemeral of Genji I think is because a life is the appearance. Personality say not say also. Though when the slut is in the phase of the world became even teach you indefinite and the Buddha of things like live in a comfortably Buddha work to live longer. Feel something like this. The mood has been a sada. Maid of honor will be construed as a reflection of its own charm have appeared in Genji. Say youthful. Year, after being anywhere in the pledge what you forget is nay parana the parent toka saying. Sebum won that. Genji remember Akon. Try Ruru forget the parent even wait see this world after te to change only ariato. It is reliable edge. Also to them. Quote. I got up to say that. Although more of the West had been the other lattice is down. One between the two while in consideration and it seems to be annoying gall had been to leave the color of the night moon together and light snow light out was beautiful. Tonight was Genji Su love to fu serious. Just a word. It is please let from your mouth also of your own that they hate me. I would give up and just happy I have you that much. This say that to show the passion. The queen. The day I also Genji also was still young. Genji is without complex encumbrances such as today. Even in an era that requires only transgression of even youth anything. Such as Chichimiya the marriage problems and hope has been Genji. He had gone in and not accustomed to its care. Much less has become so now the year is declined going. That or saying things to direct even a word is made to think you and not to deck you embarrassed. Who has not been trying to do so even if recommended. Genji is very I thought your Meshiku too. The truly callous not be a handling. Because grapevine up your Stonehenges give us. Genji was only a worrying endlessly. Gradually night is dandruff. Wind also vigorously, while wiping the tears fall to Koko Roboso of Genji says. Surikari in the attachment to the bitterness of what human mind. Not learned by experience, Surina of the a long time ago. Kokoro Zakanara, longing also Kokoro Zuka et al. Fu annoyance each mote without exchange place if things. Suffers, because there are too bad. To say that, were advised to wife, at all. Is an Odin reply to the queen. Again something is she heard that it takes on the people to seem Kokoro and beam. I do not go on behalf of the food did so. My wife told your words of saying with, while I feel that omission of force, is Genji, which can go back home and Okoshi to say, itself did not have seemed miserable. Please do not say to the people because such a thing is likely to also be a rumor as an example of a stupid man. Reveal, Isai Yakawa. My name is Tame Mountain Naru have is in the river Isatoko of Toko on the dog do. And even a song in the case of made up of love because like, I do not sink in here. Quote, saying Genji still when asked whether everything in wives. I felt too good. Will Nasaru y Kitsuyoku tuo. Even if the Otamashi to a little close. Because only you started to a serious suitor. Although you will not care diction come happening. Such as be rude. A pity. Quote, and was also later say who. Saiyan is the in is not your feel the love turn to come familiar with the value of Genji. Is the hate that seems to be the same as the general of the woman who loves only Gaibo of Genji. Also shown a favor it was to come to think. Painful Queen also being fathom the love that was hidden under the Genji is brought closer as to become you think. Make it a Mukiru in friendship and a letter written in friendship. Is to think you want to be to the extent that speak in grapevine and do Genji. Himself the Buddha worked had been neglected while it was service to God. But it's so come hope also want to be a nun that can be enough to be irreversible. This time sorry suddenly to Genji also to such a thing. And will always be said to be a rebellious act. Make the world now I think from the agony, your heart experienced the things that rumor. Queen wives from the concern that the unexpected may make any action being acquired by Genji did not become forgive take care even for those people. And Chase was become willing you go to the religious life. The Queen is also a man of the brothers as the so come with either several people nor those who come familiar because was not litter. When the financial Miyaki became Koko Robosoku. Since it is the Genji came out as eager suitor. The women had been praying for just that holds a marriage to a man. Genji did not want to get married in a hurry to all together. From being lost to the callous lover was not sorry. Although today of Genji is the blessed at the top of luck. Rather than the old days have been gained experience in many things. Also too late that an impossible thing to be immersed in love. And while I know also criticized received from the public by their believe that this is finally disgraced to be successful. Thea became many nights not sleeping in 2 articles of the hospital Mrs. wanted Urameshi. It is not there is an unfailing also a force to suppress the sadness. There was also spilling tears in front of the Genji. Why are you bad mood? Do not know why. Saying, Yari paid the amount hair by hand. Such is the manner in which the face of his wife Adam Mercy facial expression Genji have looked. I saw a beautiful couple more I wanted to draw a picture. After becoming Nio in our collapse. To think painful majesty to become come and just a lonely. Because the Daijin is missing in the current. Political affairs are not must-see is all I take. From many of when you do not go back to the house for busy. That was not the case speaking from you. But most think lonely also. There is nothing really you any more of anxiety want it? Get in advance with confidence. But as an adult still cannot be caring like a little girl. Me also cannot believe. I wonder you have just Genji. While referred to as such. But was Ofum gently Genji to or fix the hair of his wife. Mrs. will not say anything of finally doing the face to the other side. The youthful selfish to you to be the habit of my wearing was. And the Tansoku, Genji thought is that it is also painful to have been ulama from loved ones in the short life to so. Do something with the dating of the say and you are not then suspect. That's not like all love. But will come naturally found. That person from the old days is changed such tepidipui woman that I was. When I'll write a letter. Such as when my lonely. There is to give us the answer is sometimes because those who spare time. If you do not faithfully kudasara even if the other party spill to you such a thing because there is no so much of it. Just not one by one speak. Please have it in the back I do not think disturbing. Quote. Saying such as Genji lived soothed throughout the day Mrs. And raining is still snow on that piled up a lot of snow. At the time of evening the pine and bamboo is showing an interesting unusual personality. Seemed also to deliberately shines as beauty of the people. Or spring is getting better. Or autumn is getting better. In that all the time change the taste of the people. Colorless landscape month clear winter is pointing to the top of the snow seems to like you died. To wear. Such sometimes for up to other large world of this world is imagined this is also feel that it is. The border of perfection felt by a human being. Superficiality of the human or say the winter months are likely to those tremendous. Genji was allowed to hoisting a mistake while saying such a thing. In the moonlight all the world looks white and fell to the bright earth. Only the form that has been pressed against the implantation of shrubs such as looked pathetic, which is also the flow of sound Museby voice. It was shimmering also amazing in the ice of a pond. Genji was the snow Mirogi is down to the garden dojo. Beautiful appearance. Looks better in the light of the moon. Such as the head with slightly larger dojo-s, wearing a variety of pa, in the ordinary dress of outerwear took off by tie belt, and has become another much longer. The hem spread hair was a being crisp clean look on the snow. Small dojo and out running around willing-ish child is or is dropped a fan. If you try to bigger and bigger, on the other dojo our forces are no longer move the snowball. Half of the dojo gathered outside the east of Sumato, unfortunately rising to not go out of its own people, was laughing to see that the garden of the guys, once upon a time, sometimes became so Nakamaya has made you a snow mountain in the garden, but thing nobody to was more Nasaru that very nicely matches the case that any time to be that person but the once turn to come. It is often seen sorry, because I did not relied as your treatment beyond the law against such. But fine, it was not the opportunity to look. I have to respect truly the credit was smoked it will not. I've give you such a song and sometimes of something, but not an excellent reply as seen in a literary. Is good that there are insights become yes you say to become a seemed some of the all deep. Any more perfect lady does not think there are other. Softly weakly you'll come. Goodness of noble elegance is it because I was something of that person. But only you there is only close to that of relatives woman I are very similar. A little bit you might be bad only in that the jealousy towards the personality before say and also become changed at all. Payment of respect and dating partner to write such a letter when my lonely break. As friends Sunny Masui would be nice to say that only that person is still remaining come. Genji said, Shoji is so come equipped with a qualification of the lady and up. Though it better, such as not to look you even a little bit like feel that Kaicho. That was a bana. I will not be a wonder. It's right. Examples of gloss beautiful woman. I is the person that must be pulled course even now. Should not have been happening regret impaired people by his own was when I think such a thing. Let alone amorous life the two is because this even I the year is thought that it is a man that is. Not no matter how regret it would be many more. People thoughtless thing after you have. Genji spilled a little bit of tears when talking about Shoji. Woman of the villa you are contempt so as not to put in the eye. The more people you, but I was with a large selection of all the things that the lady of the qualification to identity. Because is that by some people look more and more well pretentious. I guess but we also looked at as the point extra things to the people. I do not yet know much women belonging to the class of the bottom. Is not quite the person who is superior to the extent that I have seen I think. Goodness of people that is placed in the east of the hospital is consistent from the time young until now. Am human lovable. Thing that does not go. We have each other to believe from the youth. And it is what has continued to humble love. I cannot such as to become severally become now. I deeply love you. Quote. Night in such a story when dandruff. Moon is finally clear and beautiful. Mrs. Water ice and DJ Iowama Ruru flow each shadow of trouble sky become transparent month to go. Saying, a little tilted face in order to see the outside was beautiful. Hair of nature. Face immediately looks exactly like feeling to miss the deceased's house. Genji was glad. It was believed to be Torikasa and mind, which has been a little bit divided on the outside. To hear free of Mandarin ducks. Genji. Kakitsume old days Koi Ishiki snow also shake the world added a pathetic Yukamika of Mandarin duck. I had to say, the Genji from entered the bedroom was of went to sleep while I miss Sankoto of Nakamaya. But the house of vestiges to faint. Not even like a dream seemed. By Fu very irreproachful. Although Nani now say you and protect the secret. Are the negligence is gone no anymore. I'm a painful, I think embarrassed. You think you're a Meshiku. It became Yerseon. Since the voice that was built with the intention of say the Stonehenge was attacked by a dream voice. Mrs. Well, I may leave it so much. Since it said Genji was awake. Very to feel no Koryoshi. And her holding the chest to feel the beating of about Harasakeru. Tears flowed. Genji even after that wake up at all of the dream was not ceased to cry. Mrs. And I think that will what kind of dream a witch was. Remember the loneliness that only you have been to different things. We're sleeping without even the Hirogi still. Melt sleeping unexpected sleeping. Woke up Sabashiki reviewing of the winter of Musubo at night. Love Suru Dream is a song of Genji. Not Nagusama mind to have seen the dead in a dream lover. Rather Genji to the mind over the longing sadness is gone up early. What with a not out on the surface. I asked for reading the sutras to temple. It became your resentment and show the painful eyes there was a place where Satoru to Genjian. Will make the short sports of such care. Palace became not your line a lot of merit also for people in addition has been made the Buddha. Worked as whether Zaisho in this world for that one of negligence or not exhausted disappeared. As seen if you think about it deeply Genji became sad. Yourself to go to become empress of place come to the suffering of the atonement in the lonely world be any penance. Wanna be able to raise your on behalf of the crime. He had been thoroughly and I think living such a thing. Even any simple, it is possible to perform a Buddhist memorial service for Nakamaya of their own. Must be subject to public suspicion. If not best regards also supposed to adjust to Obo Shimeshi in your mind of the demon of Emperor. Genji hesitation it is. Just continued to pray the Amida Buddha alone heart. It will be appreciated that prayed before and accounted born on the same lotus flower. Solder etc. Mountain in the shallows of the unseen shadow even leave the defunct person in heart failure. Cherishing water. And I think that is so sad. Yakuchu, you 32-year-old of Genji. Thank you for your viewing. If you like please subscribe to the channel. I am very encouraged.